Amber Heard is being sued once more. Amber is being pursued by her insurance company for reportedly attempting to extort $1 million from them. The jury awarded Johnny Depp $10.3 million in damages in the defamation dispute between Amber and her ex-husband Johnny Depp. Elaine Bredehoff, Amber's primary attorney, asserts that Amber does not possess such a significant sum of money. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at how Amber admits to faking an argument in a lawsuit against an insurance firm. Yeah, you heard it right. What did Amber do after losing a slander action against Johnny? She apparently attempted to have her insurance company reimburse her for a portion of the damages that she owed to Johnny. The insurance company has filed a lawsuit in federal court to prevent being required to aid Amber. How did Amber Heard react to being sued yet again? Day after day. After Amber lost a defamation case that she brought against Johnny Depp on Friday, July 8th, an insurance company named New York Marine and General Insurance Co. filed a federal lawsuit against Amber, demanding that Amber not be required to pay damages. The insurance company states in the lawsuit that it does not believe that it has an ongoing obligation to defend Amber. Amber's New York Marine complaint states an actual controversy has arisen and now exists between plaintiffs and defendants regarding the duties and obligations owed under the policy with respect to indemnity. In the dispute, it is contended that New York Marine is not liable to pay Amber on the 2019 policy that covered her against liability, claims of up to $1 million. The plaintiff asserts that it has no duty to defend based on California Insurance Code Section 533. The insurance company argued in the complaint that the state statute exempts insurers from liability for her losses caused by the insured intentional conduct. Amber's insurance company is not compelled by California law to pay indemnity for her own action, notwithstanding their claim that they initially informed Amber that they would cover a legal defense. On October 1st, 2019, the New York Marine accepted her defense of the underlying suit with reservation of rights. The case is drafted with precision. New York Marine notified the court that it would provide a legal defense, but that indemnity cannot be paid since California law prohibits an insurer from compensating an insured. According to New York Marine, Amber changed her legal defense team by refusing to retain the counsel they had previously agreed upon. Christopher Melcher stated in his most recent interview on Popcorn Planet that New York Marine offered to pay for a different counsel, but Amber insisted on retaining Elaine Bredehoff. Factual findings of the jury demonstrate that Heard's responsibility is attributable to the deliberate acts of Heard, stated the New York Maritime lawsuit. Consequently, as a matter of public policy in California and pursuant to California Insurance Code 533, as evidenced by the judgment ruling issued on June 24th, 2022, this policy does not provide coverage for Heard's liability. According to the Los Angeles Times, Amber was covered by passengers' commercial insurance under the 2018 homeowners insurance policy. Travelers filed a lawsuit against New York Marine to compel them to pay a portion of Amber's legal bills, but New York Marine filed a countersuit. And while Amber's representative declined to comment on Amber's current legal troubles, a source close to Amber indicated that Amber is undergoing a major financial crisis and is begging her affluent and important friends for help. According to a recent revelation in a global magazine, following the slander lawsuit, Amber was left bankrupt, and she's now exploring any opportunity to earn money. According to multiple reports, Amber has been offered a contract for a tell-all book. However, according to an insider, even if Amber signs the agreement, she will not be able to pay Johnny the damages that she owes him, covering her legal fees and support herself. This is a drop in the ocean in comparison to the amount that must be funded, the informant reported. The source also said that Amber's debt level is so high that no financial institution would lend her money. There are further variables besides Johnny's big $10 million payments. Due to her age, she has incurred legal fees and living expenses. She has drained her checking and savings account, and it is unlikely that she will be able to persuade banks that she can repay on her own. According to the source, Amber was accustomed to spending lavishly, but now she must shop at discount stores and beg wealthy acquaintances for aid. Consequently, she relies on the charity of her filthy rich friends. However, those that remain shared her interior, and these guys did not become wealthy through their generosity. She is also reaching out to her American and international friends. They assert that Amber realizes that she will have to beg and grovel for followers. Amber should be brought back to court because she cheated and extorted other people along the road. According to one Twitter user, Amber Heard is facing karma after being sued by her own insurance company, and according to Christopher Melcher, Amber's insurance company may easily defeat her in court in this new action. So things are not looking good for her. Melcher tweeted, "The insurance company makes a compelling case against Amber that it is not obligated to pay Johnny $1 million and that she has failed to utilize the advice it provided in this instance. If she disagrees, she must defend herself against a federal lawsuit." Melcher said that the jury in Virginia found there was actual malice because they discovered discovered evidence that Amber made intentionally false assertions about Johnny, or that she made the statements with reckless disregard for the truth. According to the insurance company, this was intentional action regardless of the outcome, so no $1 million. And that's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section down below. I hope that you found this video interesting, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the following video with some more of the latest updates, and until then, stay tuned.